Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money on Clickbank for free, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. If you are starting with affiliate marketing, one of the best platforms to start for free is Clickbank. It's completely free to join and you can choose from dozens of products to promote that will pay you up to 75% of commissions. So let's jump into my computer and I will show you guys step by step how to make money with Clickbank for free. Now go to Clickbank and create your account for free right here. Just fill out the information and you'll be good to go. You need to create your account in order to receive your unique ID that will be used in your affiliate links, and every time someone buys from your link, you will earn a commission. So let me go back to Clickbank. If you have your account set up, let's go to Affiliate Marketplace. As you can see on the left side, there are lots of different categories you can choose from. I would recommend to choose some category you are familiar with, you have passion for it, or at least some previous experience. Do not choose something you don't know. It will be much harder for you to promote. In this particular example, I'm gonna choose this category called self-help. On this page, there are lots of products you can choose from. So let's sort results by gravity. And as you can see, this product has 127 gravity, which means it is selling pretty well. It's called His Secret Obsession. So let's check it out. So this is the actual sales page of the product. As you can see, here is the video in the middle, which is great. And there are no other distractions. The visitor has only two options. Either he watches the video or he leaves the page. So let's go back to Clickbank and let's check out the affiliate page. As you can see, you can earn up to 90% of commissions by promoting this product, which is called His Secret Obsession. When I scroll down, this is a little story right here. I scroll more. You can see that this product has helped thousands of women improve their relationships, and also they paid out almost $5 million in affiliate commissions, which is really nice. Then when I scroll down, you can see that they have the funnel right here. So this is the main product and how much you can earn. Also they have some upsells right here and also some downsales here. It looks pretty good. Also when I scroll down a little bit more, here you have a little about the product and also affiliate promotion tools such as some email swipes, pre-sale articles, landing pages. They have also banners, some social media images and so on. So let me go back to the top. And as you can see here, you have banners, also sample emails. This can be very helpful when you want to send this product to your email list. However, I would recommend to change all emails and adjust them because everybody is using them. Your emails have to be unique or special so your potential customer will actually check it out. It's important to share value in those emails, not selling the product. Remember that you have to provide value first and money will follow. Now, another important thing is product review. You can get much more if you put your email address here. If you are serious about promoting this product, be sure to get as much material as you can so you can provide lots of value and you don't have to create your own stuff. Now, let's go back to Clickbank Marketplace and you are gonna hit this promote button and generate your affiliate link. You don't have to worry about this tracking ID. Here where it says account nickname, this is your ID that you generated when you created your account on Clickbank, so put it right here. In this case, I'm gonna just put just test and then generate hop links. Now this is the affiliate link and we are gonna save it, so I'm gonna copy it and paste right here. Okay, we can close this. After you chose the product on Clickbank you want to promote, let's go to YouTube. In order to promote this product, you can make reviews or comparisons of that product and put your affiliate link in the description below the video. It's completely free to start a YouTube channel and you can make reviews about everything you can find on Clickbank. If you have no money, this is a great way to start your affiliate marketing journey with Clickbank. You have two options with YouTube. First, you can make a review based on several videos you watch and then put your link in the description. And second, you can ask for a copy, go through it by yourself and make your own opinion and then make your video about it. I'm gonna show you an example. So let's go to YouTube and when I search for his secret obsession review, you can see that here are some videos about it, and when I click this video for example, this is the review of the product and you can do similar example of this one. You can see that right here, this is the affiliate link. So when I check it out, it will take me right to the product page. And this part right here is unique affiliate ID. So when someone decides to buy, this person earns a commission. You see how that works. So let's go back to this video. And as you can see, it has almost 8,000 views, 7,800. And if only 1% of people who are watching this buys, it's 78 sales. So let's put 78. When I go back to affiliate marketplace, you can see that this product is selling for 46.14. So let's make times 46.14. You can see that this one video has generated $3,000 and almost $600. And you can make more videos on different Clickbank products for free. You can make reviews or comparisons between two products, which one is better for instance, and upload them on YouTube. In addition, this video gets daily views, so you are practically earning money every single day. It can last for 1 year, 2 years, or even more. So, how do you upload your video? You go to YouTube Studio and then right up here, upload video, then you click upload video. And here you choose the file you want to upload. On this page, you put your title right here. So, his secret obsession, honest review, for example. Here in the description, you can go back to the product, and when I scroll down, what is his secret obsession? I can copy this text, for example, and go back to the studio and paste it right here. And after that, you can put your affiliate link, which we saved earlier, right here. So let's do that. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay. And then tags. You can use add-on called vidIQ, which is right here. It's completely free to download and it shows you different statistics along with these tags or keywords, and you can use them in your video. So if I check this video right here and I scroll down, you can see video tags right here. I can just copy them and then go back to my video, and then where it says tags, I can just paste it. You can also, when I scroll up, you can also make the video unlisted or even scheduled. It's completely up to you. And when I scroll down at the bottom, you can also use custom thumbnail, which is also very, very important. And after you've done everything right, you go just here and you click on this publish button. And then you are good to go. You can share it on different platforms such as Facebook, Twitter or Instagram to get even more views. This is pretty easy way to start making money with Clickbank and YouTube. and it's completely free to start. All you need to do is create a YouTube channel and choose your own product on Clickbank and start promoting it. So don't just watch this video, but take action and go to Clickbank and create your account for free. Next day, you can choose a product you want to make a review on, and every single day make some small piece of the puzzle, and eventually you get there. Taking everyday action will get you the financial freedom. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.